hello, how are you? I am Bert, you're watching Road Odyssey. Welcome. I am out at the Paris, Texas Dragstrip, watching a lot of nice cars go by. This is Test and Tune. So I hope you enjoy it. Just going to take some pictures and videos. Let's have some fun. Just a quick shot of the sign out front of the drag strip. Couple of shots of the drag strip here, and here are some fun little dragsters for the kids. And next up is some dragsters for the adults. There were several really nice cars at the track that day, and I'll just let them do the talking for you. Here's some video clips. Please stand by for the next topic. We're going from the Paris Drag Strip Test and Tune now to Larry Young's Cars and ATV. Alright, now that we're done with the Paris Drag Strip, which is actually east on 82 outside of Paris, we're moving to a place not too far away, and that is Larry Young's house. Now, Larry Young has Sly Woodworks, and you can find him on Facebook that way. But we're going to take a quick look at his cars and a rather unique ATV. Here we go. gonna get any of that stuff. I decided to do a quick walk. I hadn't seen your new cars.
Yeah, this is leaving here in about 30 minutes.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, going to New York.
You swapping it for something?
Oh yeah, I got a blown 32 coming back.
This is Larry's Cat Daddy with 54-inch Super Swampers. And the video clips coming up are him crossing a pond that was in one of his yards. Hey, well, I'm out of time for this video. It's getting too long, so I'm going to have to make a part 2 that will include Jocko Mitchell and the little bit of C8 news sprinkled in. You know, thank you so much for watching. I really did appreciate it. Y'all are great. And so for now, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.